Luocha could be an enemy. If you didn't realize, we still know nothing about him. In fact, his appearance may be hinting he's a main antagonist. Let me explain. To recap, following Kafka's intel, we head to Xianzhou Luofu to help with the Stellarron. To prove we're allies, we help capture Kafka. Shuan questions her and reveals the Stellarron hunters aren't actually responsible for the Stellarron. It's the abundance worshipping sect, the disciples of Scientist Medicus, who's responsible. And Luocha might be related to them. You see, the abundance is absolutely forbidden in Xianzhou. She'd once given them immortality, which only gave rise to widespread suffering like Mars. As an act of rebellion, Scientist Medicus used the Stellarron to revive Yao Shi's dead tree, wreaking havoc everywhere. The sect leader also escapes. Meanwhile, Danhu boards the ship out of concern and runs to Sushang and Luocha, who is, casually carrying around a coffin with a corpse. Here's where it gets sus. Sushang recognizes Luocha from somewhere. Also, Luocha uses a forbidden abundance technique to heal Shui. But Luocha secretly be affiliated with Scientist Medicus? And more worryingly, Luocha looks eerily similar to the main antagonist of Honktai Impact.